Hello everyone. Today this is the day 3 of Python problem solving. Uh, Python problem solving, and today we are going to discuss about some basic and most important topic in Python and many other languages also. Those are logical operators and conditional statements. uh, in many problem statements we are going to use this simple and important concepts like logical operators and conditional statements in many of the questions. If it is logically and it will be, if it is three or more statements will be there, we are going to use this type of operators and conditional statements. Then logical, one of the, there are logical operators are some of the logical operators are and, or, not. These are the main three important logical operators in Python we are commonly using. And coming to conditional statements, if, elif, else. These are the three conditional statements we are going to use in most of the problems in day-to-day Python, like Python coding practices, or in any other language also. These are the main basic concepts to learn, solve those problems, and these are the main, I think these are the main things to do. And let's look into the one problem using these conditions and these operations to solve that problem. Let's dive into that problem. Okay, this is the question we are going to solve today. uh, what they are mentioned is, write a program that reads the marks in maths M, physics P, and chemistry C, and checks if any one of the below conditions is satisfied. Understanding the question is most important thing in solving problems in any other languages, even Python also. First understand the what they are given and what to do, and break down into small pieces, and write down on notes. Let's you will do solve coding and all like that. If you split it to different smaller parts, you will get how to approach that problem. What they are given is, there are three subjects: maths, physics, and chemistry, and checks if any one of the below condition is satisfied. If it is satisfied, what we have to print is, if it is any one of the condition is true, we have to print true, else we have to print false. Then look into what conditions we have to satisfy. What the first condition is, m greater than or equal to 70, or p greater than or equal to 60, and c greater than or equal to 60. These are the first condition to satisfy if it is getting true or false. And the second condition is m plus p plus c greater than or equal to 180. Let's write down on notes what they are given and what we have to do. Let's what they are given is, maths representing m, physics representing p, chemistry representing c. They what they given is, any one of the condition is satisfied, then we will print true, else false. Look into what they are given. Two conditions are, first condition is, we have to check whether m greater than or equal to 70. P greater than or equal to 60. This is also 60. If you observe this problem closely, in between m greater than 70, p greater than 60, c greater than 60, it is given that and. If they given and, these three conditions will be satisfied. If it is one not satisfied, it will be going to be false. You already know in some physics concepts or some of the concepts in electronics and all, you know the truth tables, right? AND gate, how it will work is, AND gate is if all truths, it will be going true. If it is one false, it going to be false. That's why understand the question clearly and look into that problem, what they have mentioned, what they are mentioned. Here they are mentioned and. That's why we have to apply and logical operator in between this. And after that, what they are given second condition is m plus p plus c greater than or equal to 180. This is the second condition. We have to sum all the three values and check if it is greater than or equal to 180 or not. If it is greater than 180, we will print true, else we will print false. At this time we are going to use if and else only statements. And if you observe this question, what they have mentioned is any one of the below conditions is satisfied. In any question, if you see any means apply OR gate or logical operator. If it is any in that problem, just consider it as OR. These conditions we have applied that question to get exact correct output. And just look into this. We have to take three inputs representing M, P, C. That's why we are taking inputs. If you add additions, perform operations like that, we have to take input as integer. That's why M equal to int of input, P equal to int of input, and C equal to int of input. Okay, we are taking input side. Then after, we have to write code for first condition. What it is condition 1. What it is condition 1, we have to take is, they are mentioned that m greater than or equal to 70, and we have to use AND logical operator here. M p greater than or equal to 60. Again we have to use AND. We have to perform AND gate between three of the given values. That's in that way we have to get the correct output. C greater than or equal to 60. This is the condition 1. And after that, what they are given condition to? Condition 2. What they are mentioned is m plus p plus c greater than or equal to 180. And finally what they have mentioned is any one